Tutorial 7, we're going to continue talking about the sketch tools. So let's go to the sketch menu and let's try a new way to start a sketch. So now we are not in the sketch mode, and you notice not all the sketch tools are activated. Let's select a slot here, and now you'll notice that SolidWorks give you 3 planes. You can rotate with the mouse as we knew how to rotate. So you see you have 3 different planes shown to you. So maybe can give you a better viewing to the orientation. So let's select the top plane here. Now we are in the top plane menu. So let's click on the normal to here, or from the orientation menu, normal to. So we are normal to the sketch. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about the slots and circles. The slots, they are quite easy to use if you see the explaining figures here on SolidWorks. And let's select the straight slot. Simply select 2 point, then your slot is done. You have a center point slot. You can make your slot depending on your center point. So select that point. Now you have another slot. Circular slot, where you are able to make your slot in on an arc. The last one is the center point arc slot. So let's select that as the center to be of your slot, and you can create it that way you want. So now you have that slot. So now when you are done, okay. So the one is more used is the next, which is the circle. You have 2 types of circles. The one you are able to make it from the center point, or you define it by 3 points. So let's start the first circle. You can select the center point where you want to draw your circle, and then your circle is done. And dimensioning, we learned how to add the dimensions. Just you click on that circle and add the dimensions. Dimensioning the slots also on the same way, but you have 2 dimensions need to be added to the slot. Let's add 50 here, and let's add the second dimension to be 150. So let's add the relation here. If you click that point, you'll notice that relation icons appearing. You select constant. Okay, your slot is defined. So we're going to make a tutorial about the adding constraints. So for now we have this circle is made. Now let's start making a circle tangent in 3 points. So let's click this line, this circle, so now we have 2 lines selected. They are inside these 2 lines. And then the third one, you can select that arc or that point, or you can select this point to be clear to you. So now you created your circle inside 3 points you are selecting. So let's try it again. Let's make a center point rectangle. Select the 3 point circle. Select this line, this line, this line. Your circle is inside or tangent with these 3 lines.